Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, I am Juni Alisa Siregar, with student ID number is 2320009M2. In this video, I want to show you how to make a questionnaire, especially multiple choice questionnaire through Google Form. So, before that, if you want to make a questionnaire, you have to determine what kinds of questionnaire you want to create, be it in the form of multiple choice or essay or something else. Okay, let's do steps. Open Google from Chrome, Mozilla, or any application available your PC. Second, make sure your Google is connected with your email. This I want to connect to my email. Third, you can open a new view and click here to Google application, and then find the Google form. Scroll and click on. Okay, after looking like this, you click the empty. Okay, back to the initial title. That I will make a multiple choice questionnaire, right? Okay, a note for you guys. If you want to make a questions, especially in the form of multiple choice, I suggest to prepare the questions file first. It is useful to make it easier to make the questionnaire. Okay, in this I have prepared it before. Okay, back to steps. If you want to make a multiple choice questionnaire like me, make sure you set what needs to be set in the setting. I want to set Okay, next step. Fill in the title. Here I will fill in my title in the form of daily exam questions for class 9B. And then for this, I will fill in with introductions. Next, don't forget to create an identity columns. This is useful to make it easier for us to check the value. And select short answer for students to fill in their names later. And don't forget to type this, just type name. Next, create a new column for questions. Don't forget to click here to select an options, right? Okay, you can open the questions file that you have prepared before. So, you just copy and paste here. It's messy, right? It's okay, don't worry. You just need to edit. Edit, and done. Next, don't forget to score in each question. Don't forget to give the correct answer to give feedback to students. And the last, don't forget to slide the section required like this so that your student don't miss a questions. Do the same until the end. Okay, I will check again if anything is correct. Okay, here I only make 5 questions to shorten the time. Finally, click the sync submit. Then choose whether you want to send it via email or in the form of link. Here I use link and then copy link and share. I want to say something. You don't need to save it anymore because it's automatically saved to your Google Drive. Okay? That's how to create a questionnaire using Google Form. I'm apologize if I have a mistake or a delivery of my words that are wrong. Thank you and see you next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.